Welcome back to Sam Good Design. Today we show you stunning pergola design, backyard and garden creative ideas. Pergolas are versatile outdoor structures that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space, but also provide a functional and inviting environment for relaxation and entertainment. From their historical roots to modern design trends, pergolas offer a wide range of possibilities for creating a stylish and comfortable outdoor oasis. This video explores various pergola ideas, covering design options, material choices, placement considerations, decorative enhancements, functional features, and maintenance tips to help you make the most of your pergola space. A pergola is basically like the cool cuisine of a gazebo. It's a stylish outdoor structure with columns supporting a roof grid of beams and rafters. Historical significance of pergolas. Pergolas have been around for ages, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Greeks. They were used to provide shade, support climbing plants, and create a comfortable outdoor space. So, when you're chilling under your pergola, you're basically part of a historical trend. Fancy, right? Traditional vs modern designs. Are you into classic vibes or more of a contemporary connoisseur? Traditional pergolas rock had timeless charm, while modern designs bring sleek lines and minimalist appeal. Choose wisely. Your pergola's style is a reflection of your outdoor personality. Open roof vs covered pergolas. Do you want to bask in the sun or seek shelter from raindrops? Open roof pergolas create a light and airy feel, perfect for stargazing. Covered pergolas provide protection from the elements, ensuring your outdoor hangouts stay dry. Pick the roof style that fits your outdoor agenda. Choosing the right materials. Materials matter when it comes to building a pergola that stands the test of time and weather. Wood options: cedar, redwood, etc. Wood is a classic choice for pergolas, offering natural beauty and warmth. Cedar and redwood are popular picks for their durability and resistance to rot. Remember, wood requires some TLC to keep it looking its best. But hey, nothing good comes easy, right? Metal materials: aluminum, steel, etc. If you're more of a low maintenance enthusiast, metal pergolas might be your jam. Aluminum and steel are sturdy options that require minimal upkeep. Plus, metal pergolas bring that industrial chic vibe that's so on trend. Factors to consider in placement. Think about sunlight, views, and privacy when choosing where to plop down your pergola. You want a spot that gets the right amount of sunshine, offers scenic surroundings, and gives you those cozy vibes. It's all about that perfect pergola position. Climbing plants for pergolas. Imagine your pergola draped in cascading greenery, creating a natural canopy of leaves. Climbing plants like wisteria, clematis, and honeysuckle are perfect for adding a touch of whimsy and fragrance to your outdoor space. Lighting and accessories. Don't leave your pergola in the dark. Adding lighting can transform it into a cozy retreat for evening gatherings. String lights, lanterns, or even a fancy chandelier can elevate the ambience. And don't forget about accessories like cushions, rugs, and hanging planters to add that extra touch of style. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope his pergola design ideas are very useful to you. Write in the comments what garden and backyard ideas you want to see in new videos. You watched the video on the channel about decor and design. Same good design.